So lean is a process for driving transformation, really in any organization, but with great applicability in state government. It's a mechanism for taking apart a system, really looking at the individual pieces and pulling out the ones that are not adding value or are slowing down the flow. So in doing a lean process, you are able to eliminate waste, improve efficiency, and deliver better results for the customer at the end of the process, in our case, for the public and the citizens of Connecticut.
I saw an announcement for a training through Lean Innovations and asked that I go to the training, and it turns out that many of us in the department wanted to go to the training also, and that's how we got started. We called ourselves the Lean Implementation Team. We had top management's support.
We pioneered Lean in this agency with 3 teams. Now, 5 years later, over 50 teams have gone through Kaizen events. These teams have been across our environmental programs, and with our recent merger with Energy, we now have begun to introduce that branch of our agency to Lean as well. We have also begun partnering with other state agencies to do more statewide interagency Leans.
Kaizen is a Japanese word that means continuous improvement. Kaizen teams mean you bring a group of people together, cross-functional people, who will work on a specific opportunity to improve. And the goal here is, as a team, they're going to come up with improvement plans to help be more efficient. So when you see all these stickies up on the wall, they all represent something. Value stream map purpose is to allow people to see the opportunities. Green meaning value, yellow meaning not value but necessary, red or pink meaning no value added. By doing that, visually it engages everybody in the process.
I've seen an improvement in morale and excitement. I think that folks are starting to feel like they can make a difference, and we also hopefully can help other agencies in the state of Connecticut see what we've done, and perhaps they can make improvements in their agencies too.
We permit any work waterward of the high tide line in the tidal, coastal, or navigable waters. We look at things from small residential docks to large marinas. We knew that things could be changed, but we really weren't sure how until we started to go through the Kaizen event and laid out the process. And it covered 2 walls of a big room. And we said, wait a minute, are all these processes really necessary?
One part of the Lean process that I think worked really well was bringing in stakeholders during the Kaizen week. We brought in representatives from the Department of Transportation and consultants that we work with regularly to get their buy-in on the process.
Beginning of the week, it was so heavily involved that it actually seemed like there was no end to this week. It seemed like it was just going to keep going on, and at the end we were actually able to redevelop our entire process in 4 days.
We had tremendous results. We went from 500 days review period to under 120-day review period. Our backlog has been cut from 250 applications to under 175 applications, and it wouldn't have been possible without the Lean process.